ang dami kong natutunan, ang dami kong nalaman. It's the best, napakasulit. Sulit na sulit yung training na ganito.
I already tried trainings with other academies before, and this one is by far the best with the value for the money.
I'm down here today doing some advanced PPF training with this workshop out at Infinity. They're our local distributor here of all of our products, and they support the local market by offering this training. We have some beginners, some intermediate, and some advanced installers, and we're making sure that they all get the advanced training.
Even just one day, I learned a lot.
Ditong workshop ko lang rin natutunan na
Di siya yung ginamit mo yung film ng iba, ina-apply mo rin kung paano yung practice dito sa ganitong film. So, napaka-importante ng training na to.
Hi, my name's Vaughan. I'm Avery Dennison's Technical Manager for the ANZ and ASEAN region.
Hi, I'm Jean, and today, our first day of PPF workshop, we've learned the basics, basic use of tools, solutions, and the basic techniques in how to better use Avery Dennison PPF films.
We also did some explaining about the slip solutions and the tack solutions and the gels and where and when you should be using those. We then moved into the film and we gave people a really deep understanding of the film, the technology, the adhesive system, the top coat system, and how they all work to benefit either the customer or themselves. So we've kind of gone through the tools, the solutions, and the material at great depth. And now we've moved on to the car and we're starting to do some wrap training on the vehicle, and we're moving in complexity throughout the day. So we started with some rear bumpers and front bumpers, and we're moving into wing mirrors and other bits and pieces. So it's been a full-on day of training, and day one down, day two coming soon.
So this year, we partnered once again with Avery Dennison to provide world-class quality training to our dealers. We had a 2-day intensive training led by our trainers from Australia and Malaysia, which is part of ensuring that we provide the continuous education and continuous support to our dealers on our new product launches.
Hi everyone, this is Paolo from First Class Details. I'm a beginner, that's why I attended this workshop.
So hello, my name is 𝗔𝘃𝗲𝗿𝗍. I do own 𝗗𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏
owner ng RTP Garage.
I am Christian Jesse J. Fernandez from Pangasinan. Our shop's name is Clean Machine. We've been in the industry since 2020.
Good day, I am Elvin from Quezon City and I have 2 years experience on detailing my cars.
Ako pala si Jasly. Galing ako ng Rapines. Boiler ako doon ng 2 years na.
For the car na dala ko today, it's actually installed with Avery Dennison's Ultima PPF. What I like about the film, ang ganda ng gloss niya. For the price, it's really bang for your buck lang. And for the protection, andun na lahat ng kailangan.
Yung film itself is napaka-installers friendly, hindi ganun ka-struggle. At the same time is yung quality ng finish ng film is superb talaga, guys.
Very flexible, easy siya ilagay sa car.
Yung mga finish niya, mga kantuhan, talagang pang world class yung film.
Very clear at shiny yung PPF.
May mga clients na kami na 2 years nang naka-install yung film nila pero para pa rin kalalabas lang sa shop namin yung sasakyan nila.
So far, ang ganda naman ng feedback namin from the customers and the installers. Sobrang ganda talaga ng Avery Dennison. Ilang months na rin namin siya ginagamit sa shop.
2 years na kami gumagamit ng Avery and kaya kami tumagal din sa kanila ng 2 years dahil nakita namin yung quality at ganda ng film na ginagamit namin. Hindi na kami gumamit ulit ng ibang brand aside from Avery Dennison.
Highly recommended talaga to, guys. Sobrang proper niya, by the book din siya. Hindi siya yung by experience lang. Yung mga chemicals na ginagamit is na-innovate for that specific product lang din talaga. So, napaka-importante na nagtitraining ka dito para yung mga best practice at the same time proper talaga yung pag-i-install.
Ditong workshop ko lang rin natutunan na yun nga yung advantage nila is that they manufacture their own films kasi. So from yung planta, kay Avery talaga nanggagaling. So they designed the films that they have according accordingly, paano mapapadali for the installers.
Even just one day, I learned a lot. I even finished a panel just after a day of training.
In terms of confidence, malaki yung natulungan niya in terms of tips and tricks sa pagkakat ng PPF, yung pag-installation, at kailangan mabantayan para iwasan yung mga problema.
The best, napakasulit, ang dami ko natutunan. May mga nadagdag pa sa aking kalaman dahil sa training na ito. Napakagaling ng Avery Dennison.
They're open to questions din kasi. So lahat ng mga curiosity or na-encounter na problem sa shop, natatanong ko siya dun sa nagtuturo.
Sulit na sulit yung training na ganito.
And this one is by far the best with the value for the money.
It is a way of empowering yourself, your shop, and your employees.
Thank you, Avery, for this amazing workshop.
Thank you, Avery Dennison, sa pina-experience sa akin na to. Maraming salamat. The best kayo.
Thank you, Avery Dennison and Infinity Autoworks for this event.
I want to say thank you to everybody who participated, to the dealers who came here, to our trainers from Avery Dennison, to the Infinity Autoworks staff who prepared the place and made sure that we have the right curriculum to make this as productive and informative as possible. And of course, our viewers who are listening right now, who at the end of the day, we do all of this for you. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope that you continue to support Avery Dennison and Infinity Autoworks.
We've had a fantastic last few days here at the Infinity Auto Works Training Centre.
And we'll see you again next year.